Okay, so this is the final look for me because I don't want to be messing around with it anymore. I did my best for it to look decent enough. Like from far away, the illusion is there. But up close, I tried making the dots as prominent as I could. But here's the thing. This cream palette, I've had issues with it before. So I'm going to put some pictures around here of other past looks that I've done. And for it, I wouldn't recommend it for detailed looks. Like if you're going to use it like, just for a random party, just a random event, like then it's fine. I mean, it's more so for like, I guess, crazy, fun kids, or like, those like when you go to the fair and they draw like little animals on your face, or, those. Because I've tried doing other looks with these, like I said before, and the cream always like blends in, or it isn't enough, it's too sheer, or it's just not enough. I have been looking into what is best, and it is like water-based colors, like for the body. I'm gonna put one here. It's called Meron, and I know I've seen a lot of like, beauty influencers use that, and it's just so much easier to use because once it's dry, it's dry. This one, since it's cream, it stays creamy. So when you want to put another color on top, it's not going to like, stand out because it's going to mix. Like with this eye drop, it was so hard for me to like actually see the difference. Like at first I did, but now that, as a final result, it doesn't stand out. And I don't know. I also had to take off the lips. I took them off and I put them on again. It was, it looks cleaner because I had to clean it up because I did not like how it looked. It looked just really muddy, and everyone's face is different. So from the picture that I got the inspo from to translating it to my face, like she had enough space to create more illusion over here, but mine was already like at its peak. So that's the only thing. Do what's best for you, what works for you. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just, a makeup look. But yeah, I hope you learned something. I will put the recommendations that I told you on the description box, as well as just other things that you can get if you want to do this for yourself for this Halloween. I hope to put this out before the end of October. And yeah, like I said, this was for one of my challenges for a September photography challenge, and the theme was art. And I wanted to do this because it's like pop art. Just that if you really want to do this, I recommend water-based colors if you want it to last, I guess, a little bit longer or easier to blend and mix. Thin brushes if you're going to be doing like detailed stuff like this, or just like any other. And that's it, just like the main things. Everything that didn't go well is because of the cream palette, because it all just blended together. Everything, all the colors were blending. And when wanting to do the dots, it was blending with the blue. So that's why it kind of just looks like splotches. Thankfully, I know how to edit it, or I can like draw over it on PixArt or something just to make it like circle. But yeah, okay, officially, I think that's it. I hope you learned something, and if you try it out, tag me on the stuff. I would love to see it. And yeah, I will see you in the next creative video that I come up with. Bye. I don't usually record myself taking off the makeup, but for this one, I want to take it off already. And I'm going to take, or try to take most of it off with tissue paper. And then I'll go in with makeup wipe. Oh, this took me like 2 hours. Well, that's most of it off. The pink color on that palette really stained. I mean, like the doesn't want to really come off. I'm gonna go wash my face and take the rest of it off with soap. So, yeah, okay. Bye.